Today I will show you how to download the Securities and Exchange Commission General Information Sheet. So first, you have to look for the website. And then you will see the home screen of the Securities and Exchange Commission. So you have to click the reportorial requirements and then choose the corporations with primary licenses. So you will see here, there's a lot of forms. So you will choose for the stock corporation, just click the link and then just click here. You will see the Excel program opening up, and then here it is. This is the general information sheet for the stock corporation. So this is page 1, this is the page 2, page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the additional page for the board of directors. So for the non-stock corporation, the GIS, you click the other link for GIS non-stock. Then it will download. So this is the GIS for non-stock corporation for the SEC. So you notice the difference. It is 6 pages at most. The stock GIS for stock corporation is 10 pages. So I hope you learned something on how to download the general information sheet for stock and non-stock corporation. Thank you very much.